Guardians of the Wild. Across the continents, the wild speaks in different tongues, but its silence is always the same. From the savannas of Africa to the forests of Asia, from the mountains of the Americas to the icy shores of Antarctica, each creature carries a story of balance, of memory, and of quiet resilience. But here's what we've forgotten. These stories aren't just about them, they're about us. This is not just a course about animals. It's a journey through what they teach us, lessons we desperately need right now. About grief and how to carry it with grace. About community and what it means to truly belong. About resilience and the art of rebuilding what's been broken. About balance and the delicate mathematics of survival. Every elephant matriarch who remembers a waterhole from 50 years ago is teaching us about the value of wisdom and long memory in a world obsessed with the new. Every wolf pack that hunts in perfect coordination is showing us that hierarchy doesn't mean tyranny, it means everyone has a role, and every role matters. Every beaver that rebuilds its dam after a flood is demonstrating that destruction is not the end of the story. Restoration is always possible. Why this matters now? We stand at a crossroads. Over the past 50 years, wildlife populations have declined by an average of 69%. That's not just a statistic, it's a severing of connections that took millions of years to weave. But here's the thing about crossroads. They offer choices. Across the world, people are choosing differently. Bison thunder across prairies they were exiled from. Mountain gorillas climb back from the edge of extinction. Humpback whales sing in waters that once fell silent. These aren't accidents. They are the result of people like you, deciding that the wild matters. That these teachers, these guardians, these ancient voices deserve to continue their stories. In this course, we'll travel together across the continents, not as tourists, but as students. We'll meet the elephant and learn why some memories must never be forgotten. We'll walk with the lion and understand what it means to lead with both strength and vulnerability. We'll sit with the snow leopard and discover that solitude is not the same as loneliness. We'll witness what happens when we push back against extinction. When we choose restoration over resignation. When we remember that we are not separate from nature, we are nature, trying to remember itself. Here's an invitation. Whether you've walked among the elephants or only dreamt of them, whether you've heard the lions roar or just felt an echo of wilderness in your own heart, whether you live in a city of millions or beside an ancient forest, you are part of the story, and the guardians of the wild need guardians too. Welcome to this journey. Welcome to what they have to teach us. Welcome to the legacy we choose, together, to protect. Let's begin.